Hey, what's up, guys? So today I have one of those QuickVue COVID testing at home. I did try to go to urgent care and stuff like that, and it been crazy to get even an appointment. So I decided to get one of these on Walmart.com, and they finally came in. So in my house, three tested positive. My wife and I, we got a runny nose and stuff like that. So far, we still have flavor, we still have scent. So let's see what happens. So I decided to get one of these and give it a try. Let's see what the test results give me. So this is over the counter. You can buy them pretty much everywhere. I did find them on Walmart.com. So now I'm gonna open the case up, show you what it comes, how it comes, and we'll go from there testing me. Okay, so the box is just like this. It's fast and easy, ready when you are. So you get two tests. So if you decide to get these, do not buy them for very expensive. They are $23.99. Pretty much all the rapid tests for home. And you get two of them, so that's a good thing about it. If don't try to spend $100. People are selling out there outrageous. Try to get them for the right price. And also they have different brands. I got another brands that come in too. So this one comes in a box like this. Tell you a little more information. If you want to know more about it, you scan the QR code. They say rapid results ready in 10 minutes. So now let's get it open. And I will do the test myself. Okay, first of all, you make sure you go through all the instructions and stuff that I have. Check out the video that it shows as well if you want to be sure about everything. It comes with three little things inside to read. So let's get one open real quick. So you have everything that you have to do. So in the box, make sure you wash your hands. You got the tubes, you got the tube holder, the swab, watch timer, and then the test tube. So you gotta make sure you put the tube into the right spot so it does not fall. You get to swab, you swab your nose at least 4 times, both nose, rub them in the inside. Then you put them in the tube. You shake it about 3 to 4 times. You leave it in there for about a minute. And then while you're taking it out, you do in the container, and then you throw out your swab. So then you hold it, make sure you hold it on the right side. Do not hold it on the testing side. Hold it on the top side. You leave it in there for 10 minutes and it will give you your results. And these are, you line it up to this. You get 2 of these, so you got 2 tests, and you can put your swab, your test strip right here, and match it up and see what you have. So positive will show both blue and pink, and negative will just show you a blue, and we'll go from there. Got a little more over here. If you're negative, it's a blue, and then if it's an error or something like that, it will show you a pink line or no line. And then you throw it out, then you wash your hands. So this is it right here. So the holding tube holder is right here. So you'll grab one of these with the solution in it, and you'll place it here while it's open. These are your test strips. You get 2 of them, of course, and your test swabs. Just make sure you open it and you grab it through here. Do not touch that at all. The same thing with this. Make sure you open it and make sure you do not touch where it goes into the solution. Okay, so let's set this up. I'm gonna go wash my hands and then we'll set it up. Okay, so now you get one of these little containers. You open it up. Wow, very hard. Okay, place the solution right here. So that's where exactly it's gonna go, so it won't spill or anything like that. Now you grab your swab and make sure you open it on the right side. Make sure you do not touch that part. Okay. All right, so I got the swab. I'm gonna wipe it a little more than what it says. So, okay. Okay. So now I'll get it and put it into the tube. Make sure all this. Okay. So now I'll put my timer for 1 minute. Once I have a couple seconds, I'll open up the strip. The strip will be ripped from here down. It has a little slit. I'm tired of getting my nose swab already. It's crazy. Recently I had watery nose, had a little cough, but I am vaccinated all 3. So what can I do? Okay, so we're basically done with that part. I'm gonna take my watch out because the next one's 10 minutes. Okay, so now once you're done, you will grab it and make sure you try to get all of it off. Try and get all of it off. Okay, so you get it the best you can. I'm gonna discard this. So now you rip it. Make sure you rip it from that side so you can see already that it doesn't have anything there. So remember, it is this side down. So now they say put this in. And leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, we have 10 minutes on the clock. So basically, I will come back. You can see I come back when it's about 1 minute left. Okay, so we have 1 minute left. Just make sure you do 10 minutes and don't go over because it will mess up the results. 15 seconds. Okay, so let's take the test. Okay, positive will have both lines, and I have one. So mine match this one. So it is negative. Pretty cool. Don't have to stay in the long lines and nothing like that. Awesome test.